Hey, this is Aaron Fletcher here at the Fletcher Method. Do you have any idea what this is? This is called the 14-day high-ticket course launch formula, and this could be the most important video you watch in a very long time if you're looking to launch a high-ticket course or coaching program in less than 14 days. In this new training, I'm going to break down every step you need to follow, and this is way different than a lot of the garbage filling your inbox and your news feeds. I've been doing this for decades. We've helped over 10,000 clients. And I'm going to show you the system you need to use, the numbers you need to hit, how this is the center of your entire online business. Not just another tactic, not just another strategy, but all of your content and your marketing is built in to this system. Who is this for? If you're a coach looking for more leverage and to go from one-to-one to one-to-many. If you're an author looking to scale your book. If you're an agency looking for more leverage and more impact without hiring more people. If you're a local business who's struggling, a software or tech startup, if you have anything to share in the world, this should be the center of your online business. I'm going to prove it to you in this training. We've done this from guitar playing to cheerleading to personal fitness to golf to business to technology and everything in between. I'm going to show you the end of your online frustrations with this new training. Opt in now for the 14-day high-ticket course launch formula.
Fletcher Method.
The Fletcher Method.
The Fletcher Method.
Fletcher Method.
Fletcher Method.
Fletcher Method.
Fletcher Method.
Fletcher Method. Fletcher Method.
Fletcher Method.
Fletcher Method.
The Fletcher Method.